Grafting is one of the ways to propagate cacti in a vegetative way, by combining parts of several plants. The lower part of the cactus, which has a stem and a developed root system, is called a rootstock. Cactus that is grafted onto it is called a scion. As a rootstock, a plant is used that easily tolerates temperature changes, insufficient lighting, improper watering, and so on. And also, the rootstock should be actively growing. It is very important. This procedure can be performed for several reasons. To maintain vital physiological processes. Take for example this red cactus. It is completely or partially devoid of chlorophyll. For this reason it cannot develop like a regular cactus. Therefore, it receives all the necessary organic matter through photosynthesis in a rootstock. For aesthetic perception of plants, cristata forms look better on high stalks. To stimulate the growth of a grafted cactus. Growth processes occur due to increased intake of nutrients in the scion. To stimulate vegetative propagation. In this case, a lot of plants are obtained from the mother plant in a fairly short period of time. For the purpose of propagation, it is possible to graft parts of the stem that do not have active growth points. For the cultivation of cacti with an underdeveloped and easily vulnerable root system. If the rootstock has started to develop its own shoot, it must be removed. Sometimes the scion may not be grafted. In this case, you can easily repeat the procedure. If you have any questions about grafting cacti, leave them in a comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I wish you good luck and see you in the next episode.